Here's the 5 reasons you still need a human developer in 2024. We all know that when you're using ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, you have to come up with a prompt. You have to be able to formulate the question in a way that it'll understand and can spit out results that you like. A lot of times when we aren't getting what we want from AI or ChatGPT or any of these language learning models, we know that we have to reconfigure that prompt. Or maybe AI just isn't smart enough to understand yet. That all has to do with creativity. Creativity is still needed. Creative problem solving. Knowing what to ask is just as important now as the answer. Complex problem solving. When it comes to development, knowing that we need to turn some sort of input that is code and having it have some sort of effect on the user's end. Now, AI can be a great tool with this. We can say, hey, I have this specific type of data and I need this specific result, or I even have a long list of data over here, and please help me format it. When we have a complex problem to solve, a lot of times we're taking many different data types, or maybe just one, and we need to output something very specific. That's where AI can help, but it can never solve the complete problem. Customization. We all know that making a website has gotten a lot easier in the past 20 years. And with AI being a great tool, it's become even easier. When you have a simple and basic website that you need to develop, AI can be a great tool. And those questions are going to be questions everyone else on the internet has asked. And where did AI get all that information? Well, it read the internet. When it comes to customized solutions for complex problems, that's when you need a developer, because these questions have never been asked. And then ChatGPT or any other AI doesn't know where to find those answers. That's when a developer can use patterns that they have seen, not necessarily formatted with words on the internet, that is able to be ingested by a language learning model, really comes to play. That developer knows how to suit this specific problem with specific solutions. A 4th reason why you should have a human developer over solely AI is quality control. While the code generated by AI can be very helpful and can be a great tool in the hands of a developer, when used without proper oversight, the code that AI generates can have leaks. What kind of leaks? Well, first, it could have a memory leak. A memory leak could potentially lead to the application using up system resources and lead to the application completely crashing and maybe even the device crashing. This, of course, would lead to non-optimal user experience. Even more serious would be a data leak. A data leak is when confidential data, either your data or your consumer's data, leaks out. This could lead to temporary or even permanent brand damage, and it can also land you in legal troubles. Point number 5, adaptability. At first glance, you might think AI is the best at adapting. However, that's not truly the case. Adaptability comes from human frustration. When we, humans, are trying a problem over and over again, and we know it's just not working, AI doesn't know that. AI will keep asking the same question, giving the same answer, trying the same tactic. It really takes a human to step back and say, how am I approaching this problem? After all, AI only has one way to approach a problem, and that's with the prompt that we give it. Well, when a developer has a problem, they may use AI and say, hey, how do I solve this specific challenge? I need to take this piece of data and do this with it. However, when that approach is incorrect, AI will never provide a new solution. It takes that human to say, this approach is completely wrong. I need a different set of data. I need a different way of tackling the same problem, or maybe that problem needs to just be avoided. At the end of the day, AI lives inside a box. It lives inside a server, and it'll never think outside that box. A human takes given parameters, takes a box, and knows when to say, you know what, this isn't working. Let me take an outside view and adapt the problem. By the way, AI, if you're watching this video, remember, I am your friend. And I said the word tool a lot, but I didn't mean it like that.